Good morning, class. Since some of you had trouble with understanding the assignment yesterday, I decided to record this video to help you understand what work you have to complete. So we're looking at day 2 of Miss Collier's plans, and I'm just going to go down the list and explain specifically what each of you have to do, so that way that could clear up any confusion. Also, please feel free to message Miss Collier or myself if you still are having trouble, or if just any questions come up. So today we're focusing on a vocabulary study. That's the academic vocabulary. And also with writing. Students will log on to student account and study 7th grade academic vocabulary. Students must complete writing sentences using vocab words 1 to 10 correctly. Students can complete Google document and submit via Google Classroom. To get to the words that you need to study and the 10 words that you need to write sentences for, you need to follow this link. If you click on the link, it will bring you to a list of 45 words, but you want to focus on the first 10 words. You've used Quizlet before, so this shouldn't be anything new. I'm not logged in Quizlet right now. Now let's go back to what else you have to do today. Remember, sentences must vary and the words must be used correctly. Don't start your sentences off with like, I went to this. You should use varied sentences. If sentences are not 7th grade level, you will not do them. You'll have to do them over. When you're finished, you should work on your IXL. Now, a lot of you didn't finish your IXL from yesterday, and I'm going to go back to that assignment too to explain what you have to do to make sure that there's no confusion. But today, you should be working on IXL grade 7, P3 and 4. That's vocab words with prefixes. So if you go to IXL, go down to 7th grade, then you scroll down to P, and I found vocabulary P, prefixes and suffixes, 3 and 4. If in biology, which group is larger, a subfamily or a family? Well, I'm not exactly sure, so let's go into the example. A prefix can be added to the beginning of a base word to create a new word. Knowing the meaning of a prefix can help you determine the meaning of a word. The prefix sub means under, below, or less than. Oh, so I know which one's bigger just by knowing the prefix. If subfamily means less or lower than, then I'm going to pick family because that should be bigger. Excellent, 10 points. So when you score points, you know Ms. Collier and myself, we can automatically see how much you've done for how long you worked on it. So be sure that you're doing this every day. I know some of you still didn't finish what you had to do yesterday, so we're going to look at that right now. Okay, so all those instructions are at the top of the stream, but if I go down to yesterday's assignment, so it's just down here, you had to complete 7th grade CC1 and CC2. So again, some of you didn't do that. I would just go back to language arts, grade 7, go all the way down to CC. I got CC1 and CC2. And just so you know, this says that some of you have done it. Let's click into choose between subject and object pronouns. Select the correct pronoun to complete the sentence. While the Martins are traveling, blank have asked Angie to care for Dog. Them have asked or they have asked? Pretty sure it's they, but let's just learn with an example real quick. You can use subject pronoun as the subject of a sentence or clause. It tells who is doing something and is usually at the beginning of the sentence. You can also use a subject pronoun after linking verb, like am, is, are, was, were, or be. The subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Oh, look at that. So it is them, they. Fantastic. All right, guys. Well, I hope this video helps. And again, feel free to contact Ms. Collier and myself if you have any questions. Thank you very much for watching.